Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by granting the app the minimal permissions it needs, because without clipboard or link handling, enabled the feature won't work. Once done, open the app and tap the link icon in the toolbar. This immediately begins the flow. If you have a URL ready, paste it into the input box or use the share menu to send the link into the app. Make sure to choose the correct account if prompted, since links can open differently per profile. Next, configure how the link behaves and why that matters. Select In-App View for quick interactions, New Tab for multitasking, or External Browser when full site features are needed. Then inspect and modify parameters like UTM tags or query strings to ensure tracking and context are correct. If the destination needs login, sign in now, otherwise you may hit an auth wall. Once configured, use the preview option to verify the page content and validate that the link points where you expect. Finally, tap Confirm or Open to complete the process and watch the page load. This confirms both link validity and your chosen behavior. If the link fails, first check permissions, clear the clipboard and disable ad blockers or strict privacy modes. These often block redirects. Make sure the URL is correct and not truncated. If problems persist, capture the app's error message or logs, copy the URL and error details, and contact support with that info so they can reproduce and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.